The one thing I've got to say, it's slow. Can't get it to fucking 60. Come on! So we are on our way to check out a van we found on a Facebook marketplace. It's about 40 minutes from us, so not too far. It's got no MOT and a few faults. Well, I say a few, probably a bit more than a few, but we'll see. It was up for 350, but we got it down to 210. Anyway, we're here now, so let's check it out. That's the beauty itself. So you can see us changing wheels here, as the tires on the van were really bad, so we found some wheels with better tires for £20.
It's got a little bit of oil in the water as well. A little bit, not much, but it might be from my finger. But a tiny bit. It looks disgusting.
Fucking hopefully.
You know what I mean? But it's not bubbling.
Yeah.
So it's not. It shouldn't be a gasket. But it needs flushing. Another job.
Oh mate. Has it got oil?
Not right now. It has got some oil in it now.
That's it.
Needs an oil change. It's
Right.
nice and dirty.
We're winning here.
We're winning, mate. We're winning.
Oh boys, we found some paperwork.
Hey, look how much there is.
Let's have a look what's in there.
Look how much there is, man. Pass, supply fit, exhaust. Clamp,
Ooh.
MOT, oil service.
When was that? 2023?
Yeah, it depends what miles.
Yeah.
Exhaust centre pipe, fitting kit, exhaust gasket. Oh, this is just added value now. Oil service, brake hose, bleed system, MOT, service, front discs and pads.
Fucking yeah.
But they definitely need doing again.
No cam belt.
Supply fit oil there.
It's been serviced.
Spark plugs, unseized gear linkage.
Okay.
See, fit clutch cable.
That's why it's so
2017.
stiff.
Yeah, it's clutch. It needs a new clutch cable, I guarantee.
Check timing belt, it did say, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, check, just check it. Check
Timing belt, okay.
And that was
17,
17, yeah.
So I don't know what miles it had then.
It's on,
MOT test.
It's 118 now.
And that's it. Initial disclosure document. So that must be from new.
At least we've got something like.
That must be from new. Hey, mate, that's added value. Some service history now.
What's that?
Oops.
That would be great for me. Park opposite gate, please, very please.
Oh dear. We're going now.
The one thing I've got to say, it's slow. Can't get it to fucking 60. Come on! Oh mate. Why is it so slow? 62. Come on, let's overtake him. Now I'm scared to drive it. 65, we're getting there. It's only a little update. I've done about 10 miles in it now. It drives not bad, I'm pretty surprised. I thought it's going to be definitely worse. But yeah, getting there. Slowly, but we're getting there. So I got off the motorway, and what can I say? It's not the fastest van in the world, but it drives alright. So that's some problems we've got here.
And then also the airbag.
And also the airbag. With other things, you've got that.
Yeah. The horn is wired to this piece.
Yeah.
With 2 wires.
God knows why. Well, that's obviously not working.
It's not. None of this is working. So it's telling me squib. So it's probably this that's the airbag problem.
We've had to swap the tyres, so we've done that already. Bonnet. It needs a new bonnet. I will never pass MOT, and we would never sell like this anyway.
Probably needs a catalytic converter.
Yeah, it needs a cat.
I mean, that's what it's coming up with. We're going to clear it and we're going to see if it passes its emissions. But I doubt it. I think it'll come straight back on. And if it fails on emissions, then it needs a cat, basically.
Yeah. There's one more thing that is not working, is the door. It does not open at all, so we need to have a look at that. So we got a new bonnet, we're gonna paint the bonnet, and we're gonna also paint the rear bumper. Because why not? Make it nice and shiny.
So this is the cost breakdown of everything that we think we're going to need for the van.
So to start off with, the van itself. Got it here. 210. That's what we've paid for the van.
We got the brakes that it's going to need. We actually ordered the brakes and they're on discs.
Yeah.
So instead of 30 quid, it's going to be 50 quid.
So that's 50.
We got the steering pump, the power steering pump, £30.
Maybe put brakes, van. How much was the pump?
30 quid.
30. That's steering. Pump.
We got a bonnet.
A bonnet.
30 quid. Paint. 25.
Paint. That's not gonna be big enough, isn't it?
We'll see, we might have to go on that side. We've got an ABS problem at the moment, which I believe is either...
Airbag.
Sorry, the airbag, yeah, which is either the squib on the top, behind the steering wheel, or it's actually something to do with that seat belt, so I need a bit of diagnostic on that. I've put as a ballpark £50 maximum, so we'll write it down, £50. Obviously, it might be cheaper. I hope it's cheaper fix, but we'll wait and see. We've got tyres, 20 quid.
Tyres.
Super cheap, man. Super cheap. They were good. Campbell water pump, £50 for Campbell kit. Antifreeze. We need to do a flush on the coolant, and then we need to refill it. Antifreeze, £20.
£20. I'll just put fluids.
We broke the door handle. It was actually already broke, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
But I mean, you know.
Tenner?
Tenner, yeah.
Tenner.
Yeah.
Door handle.
It's coming up as well on the diagnostic temperature sensor, coolant temperature sensor, which again, it might have been replaced, not cleared. I'll find out. I can test it, but it's £5.
Yeah. £5.
We got oil filter, air filter, spark plugs, coil pack, auxiliary belt. All that comes to 40, 50, 60, £65.
I'll just put service,
yeah? Yeah, service kit,
65,
yeah.
Service kit.
We've got the MOT, which I think my friend can do it. If he does it, then it's a bit cheaper, so it's £30 instead of 50.
Yeah, MOT.
And then...
It's got no MOT at all.
No MOT at all.
We need to do it all to pass it.
Yeah, well, yeah. To sell it in good conscience, you know what I mean? Yeah. We don't want to sell shit, so... insurance was £30 to get the van home. We're going to need to insure it again to get it to the MOT and back. So that's probably going to be 60 quid really. And then, so all of that so far is £620. So
that's everything for now, yeah?
That's everything for now, £620.
£620.
If we need a cat, then that's another £75. And
probably
most likely
75, did you say?
75 for the cat.
75 for the cat.
And if we need a new clutch cable, because the clutch is quite stiff,
it is.
So I need to have a look at that. Then that's 30 quid.
30. So it might add another £100 on top.
Yeah.
Clutch.
So it's 725. It's a category C. In 2017, it was a category C, which we didn't know until we went to sign over the logbook.
Well, we thought We already there.
We're already there. We
let's just
already
do it.
ordered parts. You know what I mean? It's,
So altogether, it might be 725.
yeah, we'll put 725, 750. Do you know what I mean? If there's some costs that we haven't factored in just yet. It's a category C. It's a 2003 van. It's a 1.4 petrol. It will actually be decent on the bodywork. The tyres are good. It'll have new brakes on it, new cam belt, new water pump, service. It'll be a good van for someone. You know, they can use it for a couple of years at least without spending any real money on it. How much do we think we can get for a wrote-off van?
We're gonna probably advertise it for $999, but
it's not looking good, boys.
No.
It's not looking good. It was £210. You know,
we thought it's gonna be about £500.
Yes. Yeah.
So it's already over the budget, but
we had our rose tinted glasses on when we were looking at it. You know, 210. We thought, a few £100. It's not going to be a few £100.
no.
But hey, if we make £800, I'm just happy to see a little bit of profit. You know what I mean? A little bit of profit. If anybody wants a van, let us know.
So as you can see, we are changing a bonnet here, as the bonnet on the van was absolutely rotten. We are just checking if it all fits, and then we will take it off again to have it sprayed. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, that's fucked. Chris, did you say you've got some of these clips?
Yeah.
Do you mean a lot?
Yeah.
That's good then. Okay, let's try it. Is it gonna come off now? Oh, mate. It's off. It's off.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I can't. Oh.
That's alright.
Yeah.
You got it?
So there was about 9 clips, yeah?
Yeah, you broke every one of them.
And we need 9.
Alright.
Nah, T20. There we go. So there's 2 screws there. Now you just need to take the handle out.
I think he's just had enough with that door card. Oh dear me. It's not sounding good from this end.
Yeah, it's off. Maybe it wasn't the proper way to do it, but it's off. There's something wrong here. I don't know. It's broken.
Yeah, it's broken. So that mechanism should undo that. So we need an outside door handle as well.
So we need a new handle. Another thing, add it to the list.
Oh, you see this sensor?
Yeah.
I don't really know. It might be a pressure sensor, but it could be leaking from there. But that's your rack. You see here, this is your rack and pinion, yeah? This is where it goes into the steering rack itself.
Yeah.
That looks pretty dry, but here in this area where this sensor is,
So it might be
looks
that.
very wet. This needs changing.
This needs changing anyway, yeah?
Because it's whining.
Okay, yeah, so... Yeah,
So it needs changing. It's probably been ran low on fluid.
But we still need to check the pipes.
So we need to check the pipes, yeah. So we can fill it up with whatever we got, some oil. It's not going to damage anything. And then if it leaks out, then we know it's got a leak.
Yeah.
Because somewhere it's going, mate.
And then it's another
Because
thing.
look, there's nothing in it.
Yeah.
And I mean nothing in it. So it's going somewhere.
Yeah.
I imagine it's leaking out here, because look how wet it is. So really we could do with cleaning all that off and seeing if there's a little nick in the pipe. Once we get some pressure back in it, we can see if it's leaking then.
Yeah.
Hey.
Another thing.
Another thing, eh?
Yeah.
Mate, this van, this should loosen it off now. There's a tensioner somewhere. I thought that was the tensioner. That is definitely the tensioner. Definitely the tensioner. maybe if we make it big on YouTube, I might buy a ratchet that's actually got a nice little clip on it, because and that you don't have to hit on the floor, right? So now I can take the belt off, which the belt is knackered anyway, absolutely knackered, mate. Now I can start to undo these two clips. There's no power steering fluid in it anyway, so it shouldn't be leaking everywhere. There's no room to get in. Just gonna brake on there. Need a smaller spanner. How's it going, mate? Sounds it. I might need to go and get a different set of spanners. Because nothing fits. Oh, we're in, boys, we're in. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. I actually want to keep that cap because it's better than the other one. Work on cars, they said. It'd be fun, they said. It's not going to be how much we're going to make from this £210 car, it's going to be how much we're going to lose from this 200. Every corner that you look at is something else. Do we have anything just to catch this power steering fluid? We are, in fact, environmentally friendly, guys. Oh, it's raining. You know when I said it couldn't get worse, it just got worse. Mate, they call him a shitrin for a reason. Fucking hell, this car is gonna, honestly, there's no way we're gonna make any money on this, seriously. Right. That should be... Teamwork makes the dream work. Look at that, £1.50, you can have all this oil.
Gonna put a new one?
We're gonna put a new one on, see if it stops whining for a start, which it should. We need a new belt, which we can put the old one on for now. And then we're gonna need a new belt. We need a cam belt anyway. I think what we do, we don't do the cam belt just yet. We put the brakes on, everything for the MOT.
Yeah.
As long as it passes the MOT, then we'll spend the money and put the cam belt on and stuff.
Yeah. Let's put that one, yeah? Oh.
What is up, my guys? All right, we had a brief tea break, but now we're back to the action. We're gonna put this steering pump on. We're gonna make sure that everything's working lovely. We're gonna fill it back up, and then hopefully, everything's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Living the dream. We got last bolt to put in now. We're just putting this on. Just got to get that top power steering line back in, and then I'm going to clean all those lines off. We can get the belt back on, pressurize the system, and then find out, which I'm pretty sure it's leaking. Find out where it's leaking from. Order something else, mate. Go into the red some more. It'd be beautiful. Also, this radiator is not for this car.
No?
No, because it's got two ports on the bottom. I'm not sure which car it's from. Have a look at this, guys. This is unless this is some sort of drain that I've not seen before. There's got an extra pipe on the bottom. It's got a nice little bolt in it there with two Jubilee clips so it doesn't leak. Factory there. I'm sure that's from factory, yeah. 99% sure that this radiator is not for this car. Oh, we're in now, boys. We're in now. See that bit of lubrication? Never going dry, you see? Tips to live by. Oh, we're in now, boys.
So, I've got a hammer.